In this video, we are going to go over the Business Engagement Tools Notes section. The Notes tab in the Business Engagement Tool displays all the notes that have been added to the outreach events and organization information. You're going to select the Business Engagement Tools tab, and then you're going to select the Notes tab. The notes can be filtered by your grantee name. They can be exported into an Excel document. These up and down arrows at the top of each column also allow for seeing the most recent to the oldest note that has been added. You can do it by contact date, who it was entered by. If you've got a specific note and a word that you know that you put in for that note, you can click search. Maybe you use the word question, and here you can see any of the comments that were left on the notes. So these notes are entered on the outreach events and on the organizations. Where the notes are entered on outreach events are, if you were to click the outreach event tab, and you can filter for any program year. For this demonstration, I'm going to filter by all, and then you filter by your grantee name. And then when you go to add a new outreach event, it has an option here where you're going to add that follow-up note, and that follow-up note will display on the Notes tab. And then for the organizations, I'm going to click on the Organization Information tab, filter by the grantee name, and I'm just going to go in and click on one of the organizations that has already been added. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. Organization notes. So any note that you would have put on an organization is also going to show up on the Notes tab. So again, this Notes tab in the Business Engagement Tools is going to display any note that was added to an outreach event or to an organization.